QQQ, much looking like the S&P 500 and Tesla, sitting up at this resistance level, big bearish order block in play. And just like SPY, we have a volume gap, one price gap here at 364 to 363, and a second price gap down at about 357 up to $361. Looking at this, normally you would think to yourself, it's time to go long. We're trading up over this resistance level, but you see there's a lot of selling pressure, specifically from 375 down to 370. We are over the 200 SMA, which is a much better sign than the S&P 500, but I still don't feel that this is a good time to go long. I currently have a short position open, which we covered briefly yesterday, but I'd be looking to short, set a stop loss up here around 376.55, and take profit conservatively down at 362, which would fill this gap and hit the 50 SMA. But really what I'm looking for is that move down to 356 and best case down to 352. But 356 is going to be the number that we're going to be looking at just because it's conservative, and I believe there's a high chance of that happening. Even if we set this trade up like this, you're looking at a 4.6 RVR, so close to a 5-to-1 risk versus reward ratio, which is very, very good. In this instance, if we saw volume come through, we pushed through that 374 level and made a higher high, I would be looking to exit my position.